You're getting recorded, Reily. Teach them more. Say the same thing you just said.
Man filters on a Volvo. IPD, Portland, Oregon.
That's right.
I think we let it cool down. How the fuck am I gonna put the wrench?
Let me show you something, guys. Let me teach you guys something, okay? Now record me.
Have them hold it.
Hold that thing. Okay, get through it. Watch this. Now watch. You see this? I'm coming up on the top of the left side. Record this. Okay, so watch this. Come up on top here on the left side. Over here. Okay. Put it around.
Stay away from the exhaust now.
And now, you see how it's like that?
Yeah.
Now watch. You're gonna do this, so I'm gonna loosen it for you. Now watch. Oh, they're a bitch.
He bakes them on there.
And watch that fucking exhaust manifold, because it's a real bitch. You see? I'm gonna loosen it. See how my finger's hanging onto that?
Yeah.
So it doesn't move. And don't get your hand on that manifold, it's fucking hot.
He'll burn you.
And it burned me twice. Made in Germany, see that? Alright, now, your turn.
It won't bite you. It's easy, you know. What do you want to do when you get it?
You see how I made that so many easy? I've been doing this 30 years, man.
What to do. We're just trying to help you.
30 years of experience. Teaching Michael how to do an oil change.